Hi there, my name is Gijs, and in this video I will show you step by step how to do a Taptap Send money transfer. So in the next few minutes you will learn everything you need to know to send money to over 35 countries using Taptap Send that are currently available. I will also share with you how you can get a discount on your first transfer. So let's not waste any time and get right into the tutorial. So step number 1 is of course to go and open up the App Store or Google Play Store. Then once you do that, search for Taptap Send. It should be available on pretty much every single phone. So go and download the Taptap Send app right here. Now I already have it installed, so I'll simply click on Open. Then after first opening up the Taptap Send app, you will see the following screen. Now here you will see that you can simply click on Sign Up. Now in order to sign up is super simple, simply enter your first and last name here. Then click on Next. Now here enter your email, password and confirm your password and then click on Next again. Then finally go and enter your mobile number right here and then a confirmation code will be texted to your number. Now once you have confirmed your phone number, you will see this, so you can allow Taptap Send to communicate with you through email, SMS, WhatsApp and any other push notifications. So you can either say yes or no. Now next up we are going to pick the country that we would like to send the money to. Now you will see that there are a bunch of countries available right here. Now just pick the one that you want to send money to. For this example I will go with the Philippines. Now next up, choose how much you would like to send. So you will see for me it says the Dutch flag and then to the Philippines. That's because I am from the Netherlands. So in my case I will send 25 euros and you will see how many Philippine pesos in this case my recipient will receive. Now if you want to get a bonus on your first transfer, you can go and click on add promo code and then enter this code, so GIJS5, and then click on enter. You will now see that 5 euros will be added to your first transfer, which basically means that my recipient will receive an extra 310 Philippine pesos. Now if I still want them to receive the 25 euros, then now I also have the option to send 20 euros and then my recipient will still receive 25 euros in their currency. So now go and click next. So now we can get into the important stuff. Here simply click add new recipient. And now what you can do next really depends on which country you picked. So for example, for the Philippines, you have bank account, Cebuana cash pickup, Gcash and Maya. Now if you select Pakistan for example, then there will be some very different options. So just pick the one that is best for you and your recipient. And then next up, enter the recipient's full name and account number. Now again, what you need to enter here really differs on which method you chose for the recipient to receive the money. If I choose a bank account, I will need to enter their full name, bank account number and confirm their bank account number. But whatever you need to enter, simply enter those details and then click next. Now next up, since it's our first transfer, we will need to enter your home address. So for me it's set to the Netherlands since that's where I'm from. Now simply click address 1, then here type in your address line, then your postcode and your town or city. Then once you do that, go and click on next again. Now here you can choose your own payment method, so how will you finance the transfer? So I'm from the Netherlands and I can pick Ideal or to add a debit card. Now for me Ideal is really simple and that allows me to pay with my bank, so I will go with Ideal but simply pick the option that is best for you. Now here go and enter your date of birth. They will need this to verify your identity with your bank. So then click on next. And now in my case, since I chose to pay with bank, I can now pick my bank. So for example, I'll go with Revolut. Now here you will see the details of the transfer, so you can see the amount you are transferring. You will see that the promo code gets you an extra 5 euros. So I pay 20 euros, the promo code is 5 euros, so the total sent will be 25 euros. Then you will see a little bit about your recipient, so where you are exactly sending the money. Make sure all of this is correct. Then you will see your payment method. You can always change this here if you want. And then if everything here is correct, then you want to go and click on pay with whatever method you chose in the bottom and actually go and pay for it. Now in the top here, you will see 90% plus of bank transfers are delivered within 2 hours of a recipient's accounts in the Philippines. So that means that my recipient will most likely get the money within 2 hours into their bank account. So after paying for it, you have successfully transferred the money. Now in the home screen here in the top left, you will see the 3 lines. If you click on those, You will see pay bills right here, so they also have an option where you can pay bills such as airtime and data, and you can simply choose the country you want to pay the bills in right here. So if you're in any of these countries, that is available. Then in your account you can manage your personal information. In payment here you can manage your payment methods. Then in settings you can turn on any notifications you want, and you can choose to turn on biometrics, which means that you will unlock the app using your face or fingerprint. And then here you also have support. Their support is really good. You can simply go and choose what you want help with. For example, sending money. Then here choose any of these. So for example, my transfer wasn't refunded. Then here you can read this. Now if this doesn't help, you can simply click I still need help in the bottom. Then you have their FAQs. You can email them, and you can even call them for 24/7 agent assistance. So they have 24/7 support, which is really helpful. So now you know exactly how you can do a money transfer using Taptap Send. Now again, to get a bonus on your first transfer, no matter which country you send to, simply click on add promo code right here, and then enter this code, and hit enter for a €5 bonus. Now if this video helped you out and you now have a better understanding of how you can actually send money using Taptap Send and how you can get a bonus, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.